J'étais formidable, j'étais formidable.
Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are healthy and happy. Now I am in Maldives Island. You can see my background and actually Maldives Island resort is famous in the Maldives for its stunning natural beauty, luxurious life and world-class diving and snorkeling. You can capture the natural views and attractive videos from here. On the island, like including beachside restaurants, romantic dinner setups and fresh seafood experience also you have available, such as snorkeling, snorkeling, diving, water sports, spa, gym. And now I'm going for gym and gym. You can do your workout. You can capture aerial view also and highlighting its white sandy beaches, turquoise waters and lush greenery. Take luxurious villa also available and water villa, beaches villa. Here is bathroom. This is my starter. You can see.
The whole family, come here, come here, come here. Stop, stop. Yeah. You're swimming back and forth. I don't have food for you. If we have food for them, they will stop. They will stay in one place, but we don't have food for them.
Two of them crocodiles.
Ow, ouch, ow. Come here, Stingray. Come here, come here.
Don't go far.
Come here.
Deep there.
Huh?
It's deep there. It's very deep.
It's not too deep.
It's 1 meter right there.
Ah,
It's
ouch,
1
ouch.
meter.
See, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, wow. A whole family. A big family. A big family. Why are you moving so fast? I wonder if they hear the noises and then they swim even faster.
The crocodile bigger one is kind of like
The friendly polka dot. Ooh. Ow, ouch. Oh, you're so pretty. Get closer. Oh, they swim away.
They walk around and then they
Looking for
the
food. Looking for food, but no human.
No food.
No
They
human
got-
out early in the morning to
they
feed them. Oh, don't swim away.
All the way there.
So we know this is the area for Stingray. We should come out here early. This is the area for Stingray. Oh, you coming back?
They
Come
go
back.
back and forth. Oh, don't go far. They go all the way down out there. Just stay. They may come back again.
That's why I saw something far away. It's like on flapping and flapping
Someone,
on top of the water.
someone cái dép cái trôi đây kìa.
Oh, my sandal, my sandal. They're gone. Oh, they're still lingering all the way over out there.